we'll do a quick presentation of the awards. So the two BISpreneurs, Anna and Nick, will you come up? So we had a jury, and the jury was made up of Dr. Begonia Otero from the EU Business School. We had Sebastian Bellstadt from Makerspace, and then we had Dr. Skeen, who you all know and I don't have to go into any detail about. So the three have deliberated, and I will ask the jury to come up to award the prizes. I will tell you the prizes. Both participants receive a entry into the Electric Mobility Conference. Both receive the opportunity to go to Makerspace to make a prototype. And then the winner, the first prize, I'm not going to say what it is because that person is going to give that prize himself. So I'll hand it over to Dr. Otero.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, Chrissy. So, well, thank you everybody for being here and supporting these two truly entrepreneurs, really young entrepreneurs. We really had a hard time while deliberating because both of you have came up on the stage with not only a great presentation, but a solid idea that you actually sold to all the audience through emotions, through facts, through a lot of research, qualitative and quantitative research, with, for all of us, was very impressive, because it's not that easy to see even when you're dealing with a lot of startups and people that are much more experienced and older than you. And we had such a hard time in deciding who will really deserve the first place here, that we decided to play it a bit like a lawyer and went straight to the regulations and went back to the criteria. And we had two criteria here. The first was the innovation, so how innovative was the idea, the proposal. And the second, if I recall correctly, it's how much that idea could help the BIS community. And both of you have ticked those boxes. But in one of them, we have seen that there is much more potential that goes beyond the BIS community, that doesn't look at a niche of the market, that looks not only to cover a wider range, but also has more innovation or future implementations. And because of that, we decided that the first place on the BISpreneurs goes to, now you can help me, yeah, with a bit of, Nick. So, as we said, you are both invited to the conference that EU Business School is organizing together with the Stadwerke München and the UITP, the Union International of Public Transportation, about electric mobility at the end of this month. You have the instructions in the back, so it's really easy. We will be glad to have you there. And Sebastian is also giving you the opportunity to go to Makerspace and make your prototype a real thing, tangible thing, but for the first winner. And I must say that we have here urban dancer, but I was also a urban dancer, okay, so that's okay. Good. And his speech was very, very inspiring. In my opinion, one of the best, without taking any credit of the others. And I think that this prize, this special prize for you, Nick, it's also going to be very special. So, please.
So, congratulations to both of you. I really love to hear your ideas. So, for you. And at the first place, yeah, you become an, let me switch here. That's an urban dance workshop with me, like personal, one-to-one. So that's your first prize.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Excellent. And then we're going to have an assembly where Nick is going to show us his dance moves that he learned, right? Yeah. All right. Thank you so much to the jury, to the participants, to the prize givers for this wonderful second round of the BISpreneurs, and to you out there, next year you could be standing up here with a nice prize. So start thinking maker space, entrepreneurial ideas. The rest, you may leave, sorry. So the rest of the afternoon is spent in here. I want to tell everybody from the BIS community, today came out the new BIS Lions Chronicle. You received an email, even I received an email, so make sure you look on it, click on it to see the Chronicle. And all the universities are here, and as well as career opportunities. Please make a point to go and say hello, talk to the people. I've gone around and talked to everybody, and they have very interesting things to tell you. So after you've finished eating, please do that. And then I think we have short presentations here on the stage, beginning with, at 1:30, I don't remember who the first person is, so. Oh, exactly. Somebody who actually went to an international school in Frankfurt and is now a representative for a university, so he can tell you a good story. So stick around and have some fun.